Have you ever experienced a strange feeling before a big change happens? A sudden chill, a dream you can't explain, or a lucky number that keeps appearing? These are not simple coincidences. These are signs. And on May 30th, 25, the stars will align in a way that hasn't happened in a long time. For 5 lucky zodiac signs, this day will bring the energy of sudden wealth, powerful change, and the opening of the door to the life they have been praying for. Not everyone will feel it. Not everyone will see it. But if you are one of them, destiny has found you. The universe has chosen you. In the heart of every Filipino there is a silent belief that behind the clouds, beyond the stars, there is a greater force watching over us. We call it fate. Some call it destiny, but whatever the name, it always starts with the same thing. A sign. And this year that sign has a date. May 30, 25. Astrologers around the world are closely watching this date. A rare celestial movement will occur. It not only brings luck but also a unique energy that can change lives in an instant. For 5 unique zodiac signs, the stars are not just shining. They are screaming. They are calling out to those who have been silently fighting the OFW, who are giving everything for their family. To the mother who prays every morning for another chance. To the student who dreams of more than his pocket can handle, this is not superstition. This is a spiritual alignment. And even if you don't believe in the stars, what comes on May 30th could be your turning point. A sign that it's time to stop clinging and start lifting. In this video, we will reveal the 5 zodiac signs chosen by the universe to receive this blessing and the reason why they were chosen to be the conduit for a rare opportunity. Because sometimes the universe doesn't whisper. General view of the universe. Why is May 30th important? Once in a while, the universe aligns in a way that seems intentional. Not an accident, not a fluke, but as if the heavens themselves are trying to communicate something loud, clear, and impossible to ignore. May 30th, 2025 is one of those rare moments. On this day, a powerful planetary conjunction will occur. Jupiter, the planet of abundance and luck, will be in perfect harmony with Venus, the planet of attraction and grace. At the same time, the Moon will enter a phase that enhances emotional clarity and intuition. This triple alignment creates a gateway, a rare opening of energy that enhances wealth, opportunity, and fortune. But this energy is not the same for everyone. It moves through the zodiac signs like waves, and only a few will hit at the right place and time to fully feel its power. These are not just normal planetary movements. For centuries, both Eastern and Western astrologers have noticed that certain dates carry deeper vibrations. In the Philippines, spiritual beliefs and keen senses are intertwined. We have long known that the right day matters. Ask any grandmother when to plant a tree, get married, or move house and she will say, it's not just a matter of timing. May 30th is no ordinary day. It is a day of breakthrough energy. A day when your long-cherished prayers may be answered in the most unexpected way. A random number, a ticket you've been meaning to buy, or a hunch you can't explain. These are signs that a more powerful force is at work. And if your zodiac sign is among the 5 chosen, you will feel it even more intensely. You may feel a strange sense of luck, emotional clarity, or something awakening inside you that seems to be telling you something from the universe. Listen to it. Trust it, because this kind of alignment is rare. And when it comes, it's not just felt. It's followed. And for some it will change the course of their destiny. The stage of the universe is set. Now let's find out who it calls. Taurus. The patient builder will finally be rewarded. If there is one zodiac sign that truly knows how to wait, it's Taurus. Quiet, reliable, and steadfast. Tauruses don't chase luck. They make it themselves. How many years have you been fighting the storms of life? Rarely ask for help. You're always the one who bears the brunt, and maybe sometimes you're even asked, when will I get lucky? May 30th 2.25 may be the answer you've been waiting for. The conjunction of Jupiter and Venus, your ruling planet, shines directly on the side of wealth and luck for Taurus. This means that the energy of this day is measured for you. It rewards your perseverance. It honors your hard work and dedication. But this is not just luck falling from the sky. It is the result of your tireless efforts, of blessings that slowly follow your loyalty, your silent sacrifices, and your determination to keep going even when no one notices. In the days leading up to May 30th, you may feel strange signs. A recurring dream, a number that keeps appearing, a gut feeling that tells you to try. Buy the ticket. Nod to the opportunity. These are not just coincidences. These are cosmic signals, whispers from the universe that say, now it's your turn. And like a true Filipino heart, you won't just think about yourself. You will immediately think about how this blessing can help your family. In building a house, in supporting your loved one. That generosity of yours, that heart of yours, that is what gives strength to the energy that will come to you. So don't hesitate. Don't doubt yourself. On May 30th, believe that the universe is on your side. You have been waiting for a long time, Taurus. Now is your time to receive. And when the stars mention your name, the whole world will see what your perseverance has really prepared. Scorpio, the silent strength will finally awaken. You always feel things that others cannot explain, Scorpio. While others live only on the surface, you sink deep into human motives, into the secrets of life and into your own silent struggle. You are not noisy in what you are going through. You endure it silently. But the universe hears what others don't. And on May 30th, 2025, it will finally answer. According to astrology, Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation. And today, Pluto will enter a rare aspect with Jupiter and Venus. What does this mean for you? Power. Transformation. A chance to rise from the ashes and accept what you have been waiting for. For many years, you have been quietly working behind the scenes. Perhaps you have helped others without praise, sacrificed for family, or carried the weight of emotions alone. Scorpio energy is like a deep sea. Intense, mysterious, and often ignored. But not now. In the days leading up to May 30th, you may feel a strange tug at your soul. You will dream of things that seem to want to convey something. You will see repeating numbers, 8s, 1s, or 3s. You will feel a strange silence. Like the eye of a storm before the true turning of everything, and then it happens. A stroke of luck, an unexpected opportunity, a door that opens before you even knock. Because this is how the universe works in Scorpio, it doesn't give crumbs. It gives rebirth. Scorpio, it's not just about winning money. It's about reclaiming power. It's about turning pain into abundance, and in a way that only you can do. There's depth, there's dignity, there's a quiet fire. Filipinos know this kind of strength. It endures everything. It hopes that the right moment will come. This is it. Don't run away from the signs. Listen to your gut. Bet on that number. Follow that feeling. Aquarius. The unexpected winner with a dream beyond yourself, Aquarius. You're always different. While others follow the rules, you're the one writing the new one. While some chase wealth, you chase meaning. You're the kind of person who would give your last coin to someone in need. Not because you are careless, but because of your core. You believe the world should be fair, and you are willing to set it right in even the smallest way. And the universe saw it. And on May 30th, 2025, it will prepare a reward for you in a way you never expected. This date will bring a rare planetary alignment that will actively move your second house of income and the 11th house of dreams for most. What does this mean? You are not just a favorite to win. You are a favorite to be inspired. The energy of this day is about sudden grace, divine timing, and purposeful blessings. Unlike others who plan every step, you often act on instinct, and on that day your instincts will be sharper than ever. You may pass by a lottery booth and suddenly feel a strange calling. You may dream of a number and feel the need to write it down. You may feel in your heart, this is it, something is coming, and you are right. But here is the deeper truth. The universe trusts you when it comes to abundance because you don't hold it back. You share it. You build community. You lift others up. That is the true Filipino spirit. Solidarity, kindness and faith in a brighter future. So if your blessing comes on May 30th, don't be surprised if it feels bigger than you. Because it is true. It is for your meaningful dreams. For your quiet but true prayers. And a reminder that even the dreamers, the rebels, the generous can win too. Aquarius, your time is approaching. And when it comes, not only will the world celebrate your victory but also your heart. Pisces, the dreamer who is destined to be given a divine surprise, your heart is always attuned to things that others cannot see. While others search for logic, you listen to whispers, to dreams, to music, to the silence of the night. You feel things that others cannot explain. And for a long time, you may have been mistaken. Some people think your kindness is a weakness. But what they don't see is the truth. Your soul is your most powerful weapon. And on May 32, 25, that power will answer you. The planets will align in your 5th house of luck and your 8th house of spiritual destiny. A rare sign in astrology that feels like a divine tap on the shoulder. And when the universe taps Pisces, it means something good is about to happen. This energy is not loud. It is not flashy. It comes softly like a blessing whispered to your soul. You may feel yourself being pulled by water, in silence or in prayer. You may hear a number in your dream, or your hands may tremble while holding a ticket. These are the signs. Not from tea but from laying. Because Pisces stumbles upon luck. You pull it with compassion, imagination, and strong conviction. And that is why miracles come to you. For many Pisces Filipinos, life has not been easy. You put family before your own dreams. You endured the pain silently. You still chose to be good to the world even though it wasn't always kind to you. But May 30th is different. Now your goodness will come back to you, and it may come in the form of numbers. A lottery, a lucky call. A door you never thought would open. Pisces, don't doubt your feelings. That subtle hunch. It's not a fantasy. It's a confirmation. This is the moment you've been in tune with since then. You were honest. You were ready. Now it's your time to accept Leo. The brave heart that will finally reward Leo. You were born to shine. But life hasn't always given you that stage. Behind your courage and confidence is a heart that carries silent burdens, family responsibilities, harbored fears, and dreams set aside for others. But even so, you smiled. You took the lead. You kept believing. And now on May 30th, 2025, the universe is preparing to repay that faith with more than you expected. This date activates your 5th house of public recognition and your 2nd house of financial upliftment. A powerful combination that will open the door to your long-awaited success and prosperity. This energy is not just luck. It is upliftment. You have always acted as a protector, a provider. Just me even when you are tired. So this blessing will feel great because it is not only for you but also for everyone you have supported for a long time. In the days leading up to May 30th, you will notice that things are changing. Your presence will be stronger than before. Some people you do not know will come to you for advice. And deep down, you will feel a change coming. Leo does not just win quietly. And this time your victory will not be quiet either. The stars are not just aligned to give you a win but to give a message that leadership, honesty, and a true heart are important, that people who do not give up are worthy of the light. In Filipino families, Leos often serve as pillars. You are the one who carries dreams even though you rarely complain. That is why the universe chooses you now, because it knows that the blessing you will receive will not be hidden to yourself. You will share it upward for everyone. So when a number seems to be calling you, when a ticket flashes in the sari-sari store, do not hesitate. This is your sign. This is your time. And when the universe shouts, your name, Leo, stand up. General message. What does it mean even if you are not on the list? Maybe you did not hear your zodiac sign. Maybe you are thinking now while watching. Does this mean I have no hope? The answer is no, because this message is not only about signs but about alignment. The truth is, May 30th carries energy that is for everyone. Although there are 5 zodiac signs that are most affected, the wave of this cosmic event reaches us all. Sometimes grace does not pass for you but through you. Sometimes your lucky day hides in a simple decision, kindness, or risk that you accepted with all your heart. The universe does not forget the faithful. And you who continue to pray even when nothing changes, who give even a little bit that is left, who still believe even when your heart is broken. You are not invisible. In Filipino culture, we know that sometimes the least is the most deserving, and destiny comes at the most unexpected moment. So even if your zodiac sign has not been called, do not be discouraged. Stay prepared, stay faithful. Because May 30th is not just a date. It is a door. And it often opens only when you knock, even softly. Final tips to attract luck on May 30th. Now that you know the energy that May 30th brings, the alignment, the opportunity, the possibility. The question is, what can you do to accept it? Because luck doesn't just fall from the sky. You need to be prepared spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. Here are ways to prepare yourself for this powerful moment. 1. Wake up early and give your intention. Filipinos believe that blessings come in the morning. Wake up before the sun rises. Light a candle and pray. Whisper or speak your intentions clearly. Even a small amount is enough. The universe listens to clear intentions. 2. Wash your hands with salt water. Washing with salt water is an ancient custom in both Buddhist and Filipino culture. Put salt in a bowl of clean water and rinse your hands while thinking about the blessings you wish to receive. This removes negative energy. 3 coins in your left pocket. A simple coin is a symbol of attracting wealth. On May 30th, carry a shiny coin in your left pocket as a magnet for financial energy. 4. Do a selfless act of kindness to someone in need. Even a small, simple act of kindness. Blessing grows when it is shared. Trust your gut. If a number seems to be calling you or you feel a strong pull at a moment, don't ignore it. It's not just instincts. It could be what the universe is saying. This is it. On May 30th, be open, be honest, be ready. With the right heart and intention. Luck doesn't just come. It's looking for you too. Final message. The stars have spoken. Now it's your turn. Some people have been waiting their whole lives for this kind of moment. A moment where everything suddenly changes. Not because of fear but because of divine purpose. May 30th to 25. This could be that moment for you. Whether or not your zodiac sign is on the list, the energy of this day invites you to believe again. Hope again, act not out of fear but out of faith. The lottery is not just a game. It is a symbol. A reminder that even in a world full of trials, miracles still happen. But miracles favor those who are prepared, to the faithful and to those who never stopped believing even when they had reason to give up. So when May 30th comes, don't just consider it another ordinary day. Wake up with purpose. Pray with confidence. Take small steps and expect the unexpected. Because who knows, your moment might be a whisper. Just one step or one ticket away. Comment your zodiac sign below and like the video if this message touched your heart. Subscribe for more cosmic insights and divine timing. And share this with someone you know needs to hear it. The universe has opened the door. All you have to do is step through.